Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, welcome to the College Dunia platform, sir.
Okay, sir.
So, let's start with our session today. So,
Sir,
so
myself, I'm Dr. Sridhar, belongs to mechanical branch and having the 23 experience in this engineering field. And in this college, I joined from the 2014 year onwards. And as a principal, I ratified as a 2 times from the JNTU Kakinada. And as a principal, I have the 11 years experience.
nice, sir.
Okay, this is my biodata. Then So now I am working as a principal. So in the college of A1 Global Institute of Engineering and Technology. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
And our college basically minority institution. So our college vision is nothing but whereas to develop the minorities and weaker sections, which one from the society, whereas to give high quality education knowledge. So for that, our college established in 2009 year onwards, we are trying that. And our mission is say that develop the high technical educational qualification institutions and also develop the interaction between the industries and institutions.
Yes, sir.
This is my mission and vision concepts.
Yes, sir. Coming to interview questions next. So what do you think are the main roles and responsibilities of an educational leader, sir, as a being a principal?
The main role here it is say that develop the society by training the students as in best manner, by developing our institution as a world class institution. So that is say the responsibility of any educational leader, and also fill up the gap between the industry and institutions. Nowadays that become as very lagging.
Yes, sir.
As academic curriculum also we have to change that. That is say the role and responsibilities of education leader.
Very nice answer, sir. So coming to next question, sir. Being principal of A1 Institute, Global Institute of Engineering and Technology, what are the checkpoints that you maintain every day, sir?
So this is say the nothing but the first thing is observing the classes. That means monitoring the classes as per that classes are running, timetable or not. That is say the first role. And the second one is maintaining the smooth functioning of the entire college. So we have to run that one, means without any disturbance, running that all situations, all the atmosphere in that as a smooth and well functioning one. That is say that second one. And develop the soft skills among the students. That is say the spoken English and CRT classes and study hours. Those are say the, and also monitoring the labs. This is a daily. This is say the role of respective principal. As in long run, so here we have to observe that. Develop the students up to that worldwide competition. That is say that through the seminars and workshops and software languages, special languages, which one is updated in the respective software industries.
Yes, sir. Being updated up to current technology. Sir. Yes, sir. So coming to our next question. What do you think is the greatest strength of the A1 Global Institute of Engineering and Technology, sir? Your institute.
Sir, our strength is our academics, sir. So comparing not only in this Markapuram, maybe district wise or maybe state wise also. So generally any college will run that academics as usual manner, ourselves also. But apart from that, so we see the every class as in clear monitoring way. And not only that, we provide the study hours also. Not only study hours, we observe that the respect on maintaining the discipline among the entire, maybe students and maybe from the staff also.
Yes, sir.
That is our strength, sir.
Along with the education, you are developing the soft skills and discipline among the students. Yes,
sir.
Nice thing, sir.
So that is now present, sir. The present scenario, the students are unable to follow the online classes. Due to these corona situations, so why? Because everyone should run that, maybe students wise and faculty wise, they have to face that classes through the online only. as per that corona situations, unable to attend the classes as offline means regular classes.
Yes, sir.
But the students are not ready, maybe due to their maybe net problem, their locality problem, or maybe they lack of interest in this respect to online.
Yes, sir.
So if at all they develop the online classes, online the concept, they may get the chances, get job opportunity chances also there in this one.
Okay, sir. So
Sir.
what do you think are the like opportunities to the students in BTech, particularly through BTech? How do you perceive it?
Sir, now the government, central government, state government, and worldwide entire it is changing the scenario. Like this is changing in the form of digitalization, our country especially. So then here the scope for the not only in our India, throughout the world. Why? Because the global also world also become as like a village market. Like so in that situation, software jobs and digital jobs and maybe any jobs may become very comfort and very easy to the respect of any engineering student. He may work not only the state and also country and also world. So that scope becomes very much more in this one.
Okay, sir. So and next, coming to next question. So what do you think? Like, how do you suggest the upcoming aspiring students, like who want to get into BTech? What do you want
Sir,
to suggest?
that thing,
your message.
yes sir, that is thing is only the self-discipline, sir. Self-discipline and commitment and hard work. That's only survive the students. That's only gives a much job scope throughout the world.
Yeah.
Why? Because there is no discipline for that one means he may not follow the subjects. There is no commitment means he may not for cover the respective one, and hard work means daily practice also required.
Yes.
So these are suggestions for respect of aspirant students.
Yes, sir, very nice suggestions. And sir, what do you think? That's there is a thing that others might not know about the A1 Global Institute. Like,
Yes, sir. Ourselves are generally anyone conduct the respect of subject classes, but our college throughout India only our college is running the daily without collecting single money from the students as spoken classes and CRT classes and GATE classes and also study hours. So that's our specialty, our college specialty. No one college running like this one as the daily. That is our specialty, sir.
Okay, sir. So next is what are the like best practices that you maintain your courses that you offer in your college?
So that is say that ourselves best practices means give the much practice on the systems, computers. Why? Because software jobs means it is only the practice on the computers and providing the workshops and guest faculties. So that by utilizing those, the student may develop and grown up and he may become big competitor for the entire world.
Yes, sir. You are preparing students for current scenario. Software market is booming. Yes, sir.
Sir. So we are providing that as per that online and digital platform respect, our college stands as the best one. We utilize the service as in best manner, and also we are promoting our college through the digital platform and online platform also. We are using that one service as an excellent manner.
Okay, sir. And coming to our final question, sir. So according to you, what are the main roles and responsibilities of education providers and students, like both of them, not only
Sir.
education leaders and role of students also?
Okay, sir. The role and responsibilities between that management to students is the students themselves, they have to think this is for ourselves. So entire the whatever the management or education providers providing, this is for ourselves only, for our survey, for our development. If all the students feel like this one, so then whatever the services providing by the college, like a spoken English or maybe a guest faculty classes, maybe a government GATE classes or maybe CRT software classes. So they have to utilize this in best manner, and also management not only running this one, that they have to observe the students whether the students are following or not. So here if at all any gap is there means whatever facilities if you provide for the students, it become as a waste. So we have to monitor, we have to observe that every day, whether the students are attending, whether the students are satisfied our services or not. If at all we check that every day, then definitely we will succeed in this respect one.
Very nice answer, sir.
Thank you,
I
sir.
should say it's
Thank
a
you for your
perfect answer.
support in this one. Okay.
Sir, thank you for answering our questions and attending on our platform, sir.
Thanks a lot, sir. Bye. See you.